Here I have Nokia G20, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select language. Let's select English, then tap let's go. And you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later in setting. Anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have the Google services. If you want them, just leave them, but you can also disable them right now. And in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your fingerprint to unlock your device, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can set up face unlock. Then you can set up any other screen lock method, but you can do this later in settings, or just don't do it at all. Then you can like continue to set up your device, or you can just leave it get reminder. So I'll just leave it here, and that's how you can set up your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.